switch lang. Ito naman nasa right side. Okay?
Wait,
Tapos,
which one? The one painful or
both.
both? 10 times?
Yeah. Do both. Tapos, roll.
Guys,
Nararamdaman mo yan kasi sa akin
last
yan.
Sunday I
Nararamdaman
got
ko na eh.
injury.
Ganyan lang.
So today,
Tapos, dito lang. 1 minute.
my boy, what's up? I'm not able to play, so I need Pete.
Nandito po ito lagi
So
sumasakit.
on Sunday, I'm gonna be ready.
Yung sakit lagi nandito.
Kailan nagsimula yan?
Yung nakaraan training pa eh.
Nagkataang training?
One,
Ano
two,
nangyari?
Abi!
Ewan ko, Pit, lagi na yung sumasakit dito. Ano? Yung pindot.
Pasa dapat direct yung pasa.
1 to 10.
10?
10? Pag 10, dadalhin ko sa hospital.
Hindi, yung ano. Pero masakit talaga lalo na pag tinatakbo.
Lagod ka, you're going to hospital, man.
Para mahal. Ito talaga ito.
Last training. Kailan yung last training?
Ano ba yan? Na-jack?
Last week?
Na-jack yan, no?
Last week.
Other side, Abi!
Hindi, na-jack ka, na ganito ka.
Press, press, press!
Baka bubog lang.
Pete, yeah. Okay.
Pedal?
Yeah.
Pedal?
Now!
Medyo mababaw.
Or you can run. Oh no.
Down, down! Guys!
Malalim? Pag malalim yan, sasikuhin ko yan. Okay. Ito, lagyan mo muna ng ice yan.
I'm looking for a good spot, guys, to put my phone. Are you good? Good. Say hi to the camera.
Hi guys.
Hi, my boy. Yeah, small. Yeah, mabot. Nice pass. Switch it. Oh, nice try.
May pumapasok si George dito sa gitna.
Pete.
Kaya pag hindi nyo alam yung possession nyo, laro kayo ng sarili nyo lang. Sira yung ating ano. Down!
So last Sunday, guys, one of the player, his knee onto my thigh, like a fooling hit. Oh my god! So if I play, if I play today, maybe on Sunday, I won't be able to play. So better to rest today.
Pero nasa mo na yan dati? May long training lang. Last week ba yun?
Down, down,
Did you
down,
get that
down,
last
down,
Sunday?
extra.
Last Sunday then?
Ano ginagawa niyo ng training?
Pete, what can I do? Squat.
Press, press!
10, okay.
Slow squat.
What's that?
Slow squat.
Slow, okay.
Saan galing yung mga to?
Is it with the volume?
No, stay here.
Is it
No,
with the
no,
voice?
finish the wing. You're finishing it.
Yeah, so it can hear me. Yeah, they can hear you. Good ka.
Pero hindi siya sumakit.
Let's fix the brightness.
Oh, like that. Thank you.
So, pumapasok eh.
You wanna join? It's just a joke, guys. No, it's not a joke. Wow, galing. Uy, best keeper, what happened to you, man?
Yeah. Tight.
Ay, nako. Is it yours, coach? Which one? Which one? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, thank you. Look at the video. Oh, the video is nice. Oh, nice. Say hi to the camera.
Hi vlog.
Yeah, that's the best coach there, guys. The best coach. Pete, okay.
Planks.
Planks?
Side planks. Good bridge.
How many minute plank?
1 minute all.
Okay.
Tapos after that, you do
Slide, slide!
planks repetition. So,
Can I go first one, and then you tell me, and then
yeah.
yeah. So I might forget.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So side plank, side plank, good bridge. 1
Okay.
minute all.
Okay. Okay, guys. Plank, 1 minute. Slow. Okay, 1 minute plank. Okay, ready.
Mark, down na Mark!
Go, Danny. Kita mo. Go, Josh. Push. Oh.
Go out, Alden! Press, press! Alden, pressurein mo! Up, up!
Pits may ganon, yung nakasuka. Tapos yung sa papasok, yung papasok kaya naman pits. Pero yung palabas, nandito pa lang, like ng 40% pa lang, parang naiipit na dito. Tinatry ko mag-in forward. Pero andun na eh, pag na-trigger na yung pain niya, dire-diretso. Pads ko.
Move, move, move!
Next. Size plank.
Press yan, Alden, press, press. Get one, get one! Kuha lang ng tao nyo!
Ah, okay. Pits yung parang spike.
Move, Abi, move, move!
Is that better, that
Pass,
platform?
offside.
Is that better, that form?
Run!
Tula ko. Copy po.
Pass! Other side, other side!
Ah, okay. Pwede rin yun.
Abi! Dito ka sa gilid! Wait, wait. Papasok ka sa ano eh. Dito ka sa gilid. Naglalaro ang sarili. Wing yan si puta sa gitna. Hey! Tingin sa taas, tingin sa taas, tingin sa taas. Taas! Let's go! Back up,
guys.
wait!
You guys doing good. Pete, I'm done with the side plank.
Good bridge.
Can you help me with it?
The bridge?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wala my favorite.
Inverted doggy.
All the way, all the way.
I think that's the favorite of this guy. He like this he like this side.
Come on.
You're so funny.
Okay. All the way, all the way.
That's your
Come on,
favorite.
Jai.
Before, we've been laughing because stretching.
Taas!
Exercise.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Drop, guys, drop!
Oof.
Press, 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 press! Abi, press!
Okay. Done, Pete.
Side, now you do side plank, each side 10 reps times 3. But
Okay.
what you do is
Okay. I have to do it 3 times? Okay.
10 times 3. So
Okay.
10 reps, 3 sets.
Okay.
Okay, each side.
Okay. Thank you.
Pass! Taas na, tingin sa taas na. Turn! Abi, wala kang tao. Up! Wala kang tao, ikot.
I don't like injury, guys. I hate injury.
Sa taas!
Nice.
Now. Come on, B.
Wala kumuha, nakita niyo, matras sila lahat. Pagkanya na sa lubungin niyo, isa, mayroon pa naman tao sa likod eh.
Ganun ka, all fours. Okay. Both legs. Close the gate slowly. Then open the gate. 10 times 3.
Pete, I think this guy's getting old.
Na.
Or maybe you had a session.
Medyo.
Support!
Opo. Pag nakatayo siya na sumasakit. Pero pag ganito kaya naman po.
Nice. Finish.
What are you
Sayang.
doing?
Oh yeah, I did two already. So one.
What are you doing kasi? Sideways now. Sideways. Flexible.
Yeah, wow.
Abi press. Press.
Trabi, kaya ba?
Press, tara. Parking guys, parking, slide, tara!
Ibig sabihin mahina. Kapagod siya. Di ba timis sa workout?
Sana ka marami spots.
Sobrang sa ano.
Now! Anto, nandun na si ano sa taas. Si Abi! Dribble eh. O, sa'yo na yan. Pasa, Anton, pasa!
Ano kayo dyan? Parang malaking ba? Tapos yung sugat ko dito. Wait lang ba?
The right back is good.
I want you in the game now. Go and score now.
Our right back
Yeah.
is ano.
What? Mm-hmm. I like him. He's playing simple, right?
He swing with left without any angle.
Yeah.
Just swing.
Diba?
He reach the other.
Yeah.
Reach the left wing.
Yeah, but I think he play with other team, but I hope he play with us.
Really big help.
Keeper. Nice.
Mine. Look at the front. 2v1.
Basic lang. Nice one.
Coach Abel, go inside. What happened, Coach Abel?
Oh, like last Sunday when the guy hit me, diba I fell, diba? Oh my God! And I still play, right? Grabe, it was so, no, when I play, it was so painful.
Ang bilis mo daw kasi.
Oh my God!
The Indian team.
Not India. They
Two words? No.
no, I don't know if it's the Indian or the oh yeah, two words, yeah, the Indian. Oh, I thought they were like I don't know, Arab something. Grabe,
Enzo!
it was so painful. Oh my God.
Enzo!
Nice touch. Now.
Grabe.
Pete. Okay. Let's go.
Wide! Turn!
How many times? Okay.
Inalis mo pa.
Squeeze. Okay, wait. Okay. Thanks. Jerome, that's your favorite.
Coach Abel, favorite.
That's the reason why I hate injury, guys. Because of all this, you have to do a lot of therapy, a lot of, you know.
Side, wing, sa wing. Turn!
Now. So take it. Okay. Good. What's the score now, my boy? 1-0. Ah, just now. Wow. They can hear you, guys. Look at his face, guys.
69.
See, he said 69. 67.
Favorite ni Jerome.
Yeah, that is favorite.
6-7.
They can hear you, man. Did you hear him, guys? Right?
Even your I said 6-7.
Are you sure?
Would I say that?
Piti lang minutes pa, mate.
Pass. Wait lang, shield, yes. Now! Goodbye! Eh.
That's the best favorite of George. George, that's your favorite, right? Yeah.
Tapos squeeze your butt.
Up!
Para kang nag-ipit ng tayo. Slow lang. Dapat control.
Finish. That's it. Sayang.
Tanggal.
Ha? Sayang.
Dami mo pasyente
Look at those guys.
Naipon.
I see.
Drop, guys, tara! Ganda lang, Nay. Ganda lang yung line nyo. Abi, sa'yo na, Abi. Matap-down.
Pero hindi good at
Wait, tapos na.
May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Yung 10, 3 cents. O di,
Wait, tapos na.
tapos na? Apo. You done with that?
Yeah.
Single leg.
Eh?
Single leg.
Okay.
You hold 30 seconds each side.
Okay.
O di, ano activate dito?
30 seconds. I need to get my phone.
Tight, activate, tight pagka. Pag gusto mo stretch,
Wait, how many sets?
release mo siya kasi tight siya. Hindi mo siya gusto i-activate kasi tight na nga siya.
How many set Pete?
Papalitan na yan, Zach, pag ganyan.
Ah, talaga? Paano? Magkano?
Replacement yan.
What?
Hanap tayo sa supermarket.
Grabe naman.
Replacement. You want your replacement to, Coach Abel?
No.
Sa bahay.
Ayoko na.
Abi, sa'yo
Hey,
po, Abi.
Pete, how many sets? 3 sets.
Ito lang yung tao mo. Depensa ka itong tao. Huwag ka mamasang sa gitna. Ito lang yung tao mo.
Pwede rin ganyan.
Kasi may tao na sa sideboard. Ito lang yung bola. Ito ibigay mo sa tuba.
Kaya mo yan.
Yan na yung
That's your favorite, Coach Abel, ha?
Oh my God.
Higher, higher!
Can you feel your butt?
Yeah, I can feel it, Pete.
Yes.
Woo!
That's why this one is tight.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my God.
Nararamdaman mo yan?
Ooh.
Important, ha?
Ah,
Important.
yeah, it's important.
Now,
Yeah.
now, you do it every day.
Okay, Pete. Thanks, Pete. You're the best, Pete.
So both sides.
Okay, okay.
Then, after the 30 seconds hold,
Yeah.
do 10 reps din.
Okay.
Like that.
Same thing again.
Same thing.
Okay.
Now,
Okay, wow, okay. Pete, that's not your favorite, Pete.
on the bottom, you work.
Nag-timer kayo.
Ah. 30 seconds, guys.
Okay po. Dapat, ano lang.
Do you know what time did you start?
What time is it, Coach Abel?
It's 8:52. Uy.
50 minutes na yun. Hindi natin namamalayan, sila pagod na. Point guard yan, Pits, ng Indiana Pacers. Si Oladipo. Kilala mo yun ba? Victor Oladipo. Kilala niya yung Pits?
Abang Aldrin! Pass!
Galing sa nun, Pits, no? Prone sa injury.
Kung ano rin, makunat ay tawag dito.
Sa jeans niya, parang si Neymar, Pits, no? Aga na tapos ng career. Sunod-sunod din mula World Cup back injury. Tapos, di naman kasalanan ni Neymar. Sa jeans niya ba yun? Or habits niya? Talaga, Pits? Tsaka palagi.
Kasi yung sa'yo, pag nagagawa mo yun, meron kang good pelvic control.
Talaga?
What happened here?
I have good pelvic control. Hindi lang ako ganun. I can do like this, save my energy. Then when I need to bayo, pero slowly.
grabe naman.
Pag nagagawa mo yun, na-activate yung
Wow, ah. Oh, Josh, can you do it nga eh? Go. Uy. Pitch is so flexible naman. Look at him. Oh. Only the hip is moving.
Kulang pala ako sa sex Kaya
Look at Pete, oh. Only the hip is moving, oh. Wow, ah. Wow, ah.
Coach Bell.
Wow.
So, dapat nakawak ka. Kasi, pag ginawa mo sa
Wow, teaching you. Pitch is teaching you how to do it, ah. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Look at Pitch. Look at Pitch. Hey.
Magaling magbayo.
ikaw na, you will do that later.
Oh my God.
Coach, sabay kami.
Okay.
Coach Bell, together. Kasama ba yan? Where's our vlog?
Yeah, let's go. Come here. It's here.
Where's the vlog?
Say hi.
Let's go.
Say hi.
Together, Coach Bell, we need that. You do it together, face to face. Together, face to face.
Wait, really? Pete, are you sure? No.
I'm not joking.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look. Oh, diba? Oh.
It looks,
Oh.
it looks weird, but we do it to the patients to have good control. Okay?
Wow.
Kasi, if you can do this, you're contracting your mouth. Kasi this is more core.
Can you show them, Pete?
What, this one?
Show the whole world.
Additional 2,000 pesos.
Oh my God. Nice. This place simple. I love him. I like him. The guy. Yeah. Place simple. Huh?
Oladipo, this guy?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Place simple. That's so nice.
Simple football, no?
Yeah.
No aggressiveness first yet.
Right.
Kasi dagdag mo to sa'yo.
Pwede to beats, no?
Yan, ito. Dance. Dito.
Ulit-ulit lang.
10 attention. So, dapat higit nito.
Ah.
Dapat dito. You just, you contract this.
Nag-press na tayo!
Oh my God.
Control lang, control lang. Yeah. You done?
No, one more. You okay?
Yeah.
Nice.
Tapos, after niyan, while also trying to maintain your balance. Tapos ka na. 10 times 3 yan.
Wala yung bola, magawa.
That's one.
I can see that you're not.
Guys, I have to go all the way. Thanks.
Sayang eh.
Yeah.
Press!
It's yeah.
You're done?
Yes. Ma'am.
Rest first.
Okay. Okay.
How's it now?
Let me check.
Ilang set yung ganda?
Wala, 30 spent. Kamusta kayo?
Wala ano. Konti na lang.
Sabi mo siya everyday. Yung dating ginawa ko. Yung dating
Konti na lang yung di masakit.
It's much better naman. Yeah. Oh, no? Oh. Let's do it together. The best fit, guys. Come.
Yay! Tight, go. Yeah, very good. Yan! Slowly, slowly.
Expert coach Abel.
PT is the best, guys. The best PT ever.
That's why. Bed exercise is the best.
Right?
Fine.
Pants?
Black. Tapos the reading is 2 weeks old.
Okay.
Wala tubig.
Yeah.
Balance.
Yeah. Okay.
So, what I want you to do is just squeeze your butt.
Okay.
1,
Okay.
2, 10.
10. Okay.
Both sides.
Okay, Pete.
Engage your core.
Okay.
Push pull. Sober na. Sober na. Hard.
It's nice. I love it. It's hard, but it's good for me. Yeah, on Sunday I'm good.
Do you have like that?
I have, but it's not tight like this. How about I bring this home and then I bring on Sunday? Oh yeah. Yeah. Starting Ah, Decathlon.
Just a set.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
No red.
Oh. Okay.
Don't lean forward, ha?
Okay.
Straight.
Okay. Okay. You're so flexible, your face.
Sabi doon na lang. Hard, not effective.
Okay.
It's part of our exercise. When we demo to the patient.
Yeah? And what they do, they laughing?
We somewhat laugh, but they become beneficial to them.
Yeah.
After that, they don't laugh anymore.
Right.
They know that it's working.
It's work like.
Yeah. You can also hold it. 1,
Wow.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3.
Diba? Come here. Say hi. Dito, dito, dito. Kapali. Okay lang. Sabi mo, hi. Hi, Philippine. Yeah, diba? Dito lang. Ikaw, gwapo nga eh. Gwapo naman. Gwapo. Come here. Guys, the best, Yun, diba? It's gwapo, right?
Combine sa front. Pass. Anton. Labon.
After that, coach, same idea
Pag-boy,
still.
what's up? Okay.
Same idea still, but this time back.
Yeah.
Okay, so get your
Okay.
balance.
Yeah.
So squeeze your butt.
Okay. How are you? Okay, say hi. Oh, hi. Hey, look this photo, right? Wait, what was that? This, like this? Ah, okay, okay.
Turn!
No. I'm not really sure, but speak English.
No idea.
Yeah, no.
Maybe Filipino.
What? Labo.
Possible?
Labo. Hey! What's that? What can that be? Come on, Gap. I give you red card.
Nagsimuntok sa ni Pante.
Uy, sorry.
Wow, very, very strong, ha? Ano ba? Looks strong but prone in injury, ha?
Ganito yung depensa mo.
I have to do it. Oh my god. Pito. You can see that, oh?
Oh, diba?
How much? How much?
What? Oh, what?
What's your category, coach? Thick African. Hot.
Okay.
Yeah, thick. Hot, thick
Five
African.
turns there, hindi tayo defender.
BBC. Oh my god. You're watching it.
Brutal African, no mercy, ha?
Oh my god. No mercy at all.
Water break, guys, water break. Go, quick. Sip.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Hey, Uncle, nice goal, huh? Hey, this guy. Say hi. Say hi to the whole Philippines. Say hi. Good job. Nice. I like how you did it. I hope you join us. What team you play? Okay. Sorry.
That's what you need to do.
Right.
This is stabilize yourself. Sabi ang hard time getting your balance, ha?
Eating too much corned beef, eh.
Too much conflict.
Oo, kita ko. Tabi. Down.
Say hi.
Hey!
Scopo, right? Oh, are you all good now? Oh, let's
Some
go,
days I
boy.
feel good, some days I really don't.
Aye.
Sorry, Professor, you're good.
So I did a video on Friday, about 6 kilometers.
Hold on to your hips.
Okay, hold it.
You see me like,
Ah, just yun lang.
that's why I want you to squeeze your butt. Squeeze your butt.
Pikin na. Diba, guys?
Guys,
You must understand how we play. You cannot play by your own. Players, I put you in the wings here. Consider the middle.
Ayan eh.
Yun. You have the system, you have your own position, you have your area of play. You must understand. I told you we have a style of play here. Kung dati naglalaro kayo sa ibang teams nyo, iba yung style ng laro nyo, okay yun. Kung dito, meron tayong sinusunod. Yung style ng play natin, alam nyo dapat kung paano tayo magdepensa, paano tayo umatake. Ang problem, out of position here guys. Wala. Sometimes we have to go here at the side. Nobody here at the front. Nobody is asking for the ball at the front. All of you here, sometimes you from the side. We have players here who have the ball. Penetrating na tayo. But nobody here. That's that. So dalawang striker natin. Pag nandito yung ball ay, dalawang striker natin mas slide here. And then we have players from the other side. The problem, yung players natin dito sa kabila, pupunta rin dito. Okay? You must know your position, guys. Very simple, very basic. You must learn. Sunday, mas malakas yung kalaban natin. And then after that, mas lalong malakas. You have to play Kaya or Manila, or Manila, mas malakas yung kalaban nyo. I told you once with those position, you have to drop here, guys. Ito yung na-practice natin. Discipline. Hindi natin kailangan manalo. Gusto ko makita sa inyo, you have to follow. You are preparing for this future game. You must learn how to follow instruction. It's simple. Patient. Patient lang sinasabi nyo. Pag-practice na nawala yung bola. But if you continue your pressing, you have to move up the hand. Hindi pwedeng ito lang. Hindi. Ibang players na iiwan. If you press, dapat ito yung apat na players, and you have to follow. You have to follow. Hold. But problem pag nag-high pressure tayo, lalo kayo mauubusan. Nadulo na nga tayo. Kasi pag nag-high tayo, malaki ng space. Malaki yung space. Then behind, we have the space for them. Mahihirapan. That's why we play on the low. You have to follow. You are the winger. Sabi ko, pag movement ng attack natin from the wings, ito yung dalawang striker, support. Yung wings natin must stay here. Don't go here. Winger. Kaya nag-attack tayo sa isang side to prepare the other side, guys, kung mag-switch tayo ng play. Sino papasahan natin dito? Walang player. Yes. Enzo. Yeah. The attack is the other side. Stay here. Para sa switch play natin. You have to follow that. Useless yung feeling natin dito. Because no how to follow. Kung mention your performance din, guys, obserbahan ko kayo. Same with loaded tayo. And then pag naglabas yung bola dito, attacking tayo na wala yung bola. Throw in sa kanila. Hindi tayo makay. Man-to-man tayo. Kung sa kanila yung bola dito, everybody must be man, guys. One throw in, ganyan. Sa kanila yung bola, hindi lang man, everybody must be man. Yan pag nag-high tayo, everybody must be man. Dito sa kabila, zone marking tayo. You must understand, guys. Far side, zone marking. But both side, everybody must be marked. As I told you, numerical advantage tayo lagi. Kung tama yung posisyon nyo. You have to play. As a team. As a unit, guys. You have to play. You have to follow. So maintain compactness in defense. Pag sa attack, you have to open wide. Simple principle. Pag attacking tayo, wide. Pag defending, compress tayo, compact tayo. So you have to maintain compactness. Paano? By sliding. Pag sa gitna, organize. Pag binigay yung bola sa taas, front, push up, mas ito. binigyan niya yung bola doon sa atin. You have to move. You say, you have to move. Kasi hindi pwedeng binigay yung bola, naglalakad dito yung 4 o 5 sa inyo. Nakuha niyo? You have to push yourself kasi marami naman tayo. Hindi kayo mag-training. Basta sumunod lang kayo. Hindi rin balik kayo. You have to push yourself. You have to follow. Start again. Si Magdam, si Anton, and Jules. The front. Start. And then we will, I'll bring the wrong. Renzo, Renzo. Low tayo, tayo.
Oh, cool. See this one? Yes. So last one. Yeah.
Ben, what happened?
Oh, last.
Sunday? Final?
Yeah. Oh, it was the semi-final.
Dalawan?
Those guys, you won. No, not semi-final. You won. Where did you won?
Final.
Jack, kaya po. Lagyan mo ah. It was what? Against Stuart.
Yeah. On the first game against Stuart.
Yeah. Until now. Walking lang. Late. So late. No, it's not that. Ay, nako. Are you playing? I'm
Ilan laro niya target?
Oh my God.
Sabado?
You got this guy.
I get water.
Ayos. No, I'm not playing today. I'm doing like therapy.
After the position,
I'm looking at you and you're not feeling.
Yeah. Oh. I'm not playing today. I play on Sunday. I rest for Sunday. Yeah. Oh, you're not playing on Sunday?
I don't know.
Why? Oh, so it's not free against us. Not free week on Sunday. Good luck to you.
Very good. What? Dire-diretso.
Last Sunday and the 7th. Yeah, I got it. Yep.
I saw the photo.
Yeah. Oh, you're not playing?
No.
Oh, you're get well soon.
I don't know if I can play well.
Be positive. Yeah. Yeah. Take it.
Beats. Beats. Ingat. Go! Ora, coach.
Assist ka nila.
Tira. Laro. Tira.
Right, pick like this, like this.
Yeah, but don't bend your...
Don't bend, just... Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, not like this.
It was so wrong.
Dito na.
Wait, Abby, you okay? What happened to you?
I don't think. Yeah. Yeah, wala na. Kasi top 4 na tayo eh. So like elimination na yun.
They get blocked.
Coach Carlos said, right? 25, and it wasn't like a joke 25, it was against
They're better than Kaya.
Team 5-0.
They got it.
They want me to press, and then the keeper's waiting me in, and then he'll use my momentum against me, right? And you know, I told him, right, stopping is one that hurts the ball.
You know, Kaya, it was unlucky.
Yeah, calls.
They were still
Ate na mo, this Sunday it's gonna be the same referee.
They were still lucky, Kaya.
Like I said when I wake up, I think
They know that. That's why after they win, they were like, they were so happy.
They were happy, even
Yeah.
though it was a big square.
Yeah, they know that.
Monday, my Yeah, that one hurts. Like, and also sometimes I'm trying to feel my gas drop on the right side. But like, it's just like a 5-second thing and then it'll go away. Not like my left where it's
Yung center back, oh, tagal. You're done. Yung first
Ano?
week natin dito.
Sige, sige. Uy, hold on. Wala ka na. Hindi mo dyan dyan.
But then one, it was 1v1 against the defender. I knew he was inflicting. I decided to fake. Then feint.
Yeah.
No, sorry. Feint. And then another feint here. And then my knee just gave out. And I fell in slow motion.
Anon, Gren!
Edwin is Pepequa, right? Edwin is Pepequa, right?
Gren?
Yeah.
No,
Where is that?
I don't.
I thought he was Pepequa.
He was supposed to be. Tara, Zach.
Oh, and I also had the beach post. I just here in my
hip flexion.
Supposed to be, yeah, but he didn't.
Start adding the back.
No, I mean like the school.
But that one is, I've had that before. So I know. And then to stretch the hip flexors down here, right? And then like that.
Not good.
Yeah.
Remove the band.
Oh, I was doing that kanina. Did you see me? Okay. Wow, so nice. Closer.
Okay.
33.
I'll be with you.
Okay. Okay. So 3 sets of this one.
Yeah, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Then do that also. Of the stretch.
Ah, pagwaso. Okay. Oh, ang guwapo ah. Guwapo.
I'm like, I wonder what these players for you.
Ito. Yun.
Pete, 30 seconds of this. Pete. Pete, 30 seconds of this.
Then you can feel the stretch.
Okay.
Other side.
Okay.
Oh, coach. Coach.
After that, you're done.
Okay, thanks, Pete.
Ah, I know now what's type pala. Do butterflies also.
How do we do it?
Diba those feet?
Ah, yeah, okay.
Do butterflies also.
Okay.
Kasi you're a doctor for the time. Then evening,
Ay?
I see.
Okay.
Morning, do the same exercise. You remember everything?
Yeah, I have
You remember everything, huh? If
Yeah.
you don't, you message me.
Okay. I
So
message
that I
you.
can send it to you.
Okay, so I do it, and if you need tomorrow na lang.
Evening, no? Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
But the ice you need to do.
Wide!
What a touch! What a touch! Hey! Okay.
Punta, Bon!
E.
There's a stat for that, I hope. But, you know, not it's game day. Makabagal ng galang. Oh, he did that! Keep talking.
Go on, Abel.
Video this week muna. Video this week is rehab.
So you almost scored.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Hey man, only you're making it weird.
Oh my God. I'm crying, guys. That's good. What happened to you?
So you almost scored. What happened?
Thanks, bitch.
Like no sign. And then it's like a perfect contact. I look up.
Hey guys, we're done for today. I'm done for today for this therapy. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat. You guys are the best. Thank you. So, always God first, you know. God first, always, guys. Bye, guys.